The compression spring is part of your grinder's switch assembly. It's attached to the switch lever. When you turn the grinder off, the spring pulls the switch lever back, turning the switch off. Over time, the spring can weaken and break. This can cause the switch lever to stick, causing the grinder to stay running. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor housing from the grinder. Now remove the switch button. I'll push the switch lever forward towards the gear housing. And then to remove the button, I'll push it back. And now I can pull it away from the tool. Now I can remove the switch lever. With the lever removed, now I'll remove the spring. Now I can install the new compression spring. I'll slide the compression spring over the long tab on the switch lever first, compress it, and then place it over the small tab. Now I'll slide the switch lever back into the housing and over the button on the switch. Now I'll reinstall the switch button. To install the button, I'll again push the lever all the way forward, align the button with the opening in the lever, and then push it towards the gearbox. You may have to try a couple of times. When it's properly aligned, it'll snap into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear motor housing. And that's how you can install a new compression spring in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.